Hey you guys, today is October 10th. It's the first time I'm going hunting for this year. Right now it's archery season, but I brought my, you can't see it now, it's dark, it's 5 a.m. and I brought my crossbow, and I'm gonna see if I can hunt in my cabin. It's located in Linden, Virginia. See what the action is there, and then I'll probably go once a week and I'll try to record as much as I can. And next time I'll probably go somewhere else. Mostly my favorite spot is the G.R Thompson Wildlife Management Area. I've been going there for 25 years. I loved it so much that I ended up buying almost 6 acres of land there and built a rough cabin on it. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're almost there. On this dirt trail for a little while, for like a mile. I already saw a buck in one of the parking lots where there's about 3 cars there and 3 hunters there, but the buck was right behind their car, and I was tempted to go sit there and wait for them, but that's too easy. I don't want that. So let me drive up to the cabin. Okay, almost there. Hopefully I don't spot any bucks here. I think my truck can go under this unless it's calmed down. Okay, good. Alright. Scratch up the truck. There you go. New truck too. No bucks here. Good. It's 6:36 a.m. There's my cabin right there. Okay, I'm finally at my hunting spot. I have a tree stand here. I have a little problem here. I'm coughing, which is really bad, especially when you're hunting. So far I see nothing. It's almost sunrise. I usually see a lot of does here, but I have to wait. Alright, it's time to come down from the tree stand. Sat here 3 hours, didn't see a thing. So might try a different spot. Here's the cabin. I might go inside and take a look. And here's my truck. Okay, let's try a different spot. Someone here already. Never been to this spot before. It's also in G.R Thompson. Okay, spent about an hour here. It was too thick. There was too many bushes, so I know where to sit. So I'm gonna head back and try another day. So overall, it was a great hunting day for me. I didn't see much. I saw one deer, and it was in the parking lot behind the hunters, which was kind of ironic. So, and it was funny. But just coming out here, spending a few hours in the woods, walking, just relaxes my body and takes the stress of daily life out of me. So I'm happy, thank God.